Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing at your own pace. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Release and return to upright. Maintain your feet in a wide stance. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, fold forward, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth, keeping your core engaged, rooting down through your feet, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and step your feet back to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart, opening your arms wide. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.